Hello again. Storm Eric has arrived and will bring strong disruptive winds to much of the UK during the rest of Friday and into the weekend, as well as heavy rainfall. Storm Eric was named by Met Erin, the Irish Met Service, on Thursday because the strongest swathe of winds will affect parts of the Republic of Ireland to the south of this area of low pressure. And that swathe of strong winds will also impact Northern Ireland, southwest Scotland. 50, 60, perhaps 70 mile-per-hour gusts around exposed locations, 50, 60 inland, combined with heavy bouts of rain circling around the area of low pressure. Elsewhere, wet and windy weather across western parts of England and Wales, moving through during lunchtime and pushing into central and southeastern areas. And it's along this band of particularly heavy rainfall, a cold front, where the winds will really pick up. 50, 60 mile-per-hour wind gusts in places, mostly exposed coast, but the potential for some very lively weather inland as well. So, pretty rough afternoon. Big waves, of course, worthy of a mention around coastal areas. Not at all a pleasant day to come. Disruption possible as well. Wind warnings in force for northwestern areas, Northern Ireland, southwest Scotland. Now, behind this area of rainfall, which moves through after the Friday evening rush hour, the winds stay strong and we'll see heavy showers follow through across most parts. More persistent rainfall across western and central Scotland into Northern Ireland, northwest England, and another swathe of very strong winds push southwards across western Scotland, Northern Ireland, Irish Sea coasts overnight. Once again, 60 or even 70 mile-per-hour gusts around exposed coast, perhaps a little more for some particularly exposed locations. And the heavy rainfall also likely to be a cause for concern because that's combined with very mild air across the country with snowmelt across the Scottish mountains, and that means that there's a risk of localised flooding for central and western Scotland. Yellow warnings in force for wind and rain in the northwest. Further south, it's a windy night, so nowhere particularly chilly as we wake up on Saturday, but there will be some clear spells. There will be some sunshine for East Anglia and the south. There'll be further showers into northern and western areas, and that swathe of strong winds continues to affect Northern Ireland, southern Scotland into northern England and North Wales through Saturday morning. Slowly, the strongest of the winds become confined to the northeast, and for many other areas, it's a blustery but less severe day to come. Sunny spells and frequent showers, hail and thunder likely with some of the liveliest downpours to the west, but it's fairly mild because of the strength of that wind. Into Saturday night, another feature runs along southern parts of the country, and that means that for England and Wales, more wet and windy weather to come. And that rainfall, as it pushes northwards, engages with some cold air, and over the mountains of Wales, perhaps the Pennines as well, some snow as it clears away. But it will clear away, and that means that an improving picture on Sunday afternoon with brightening skies, but further heavy showers coming through on a strong wind across many areas. So lots going over the next few days, and it is worth, if you're making plans or if you're travelling, heading to the Met Office website where you can find more details on the forecast where you are, as well as the weather warnings. Bye-bye.